So the channel, not the show. There's a channel. I think I think people usually they purposely not hear. I think I said this like a couple months ago that my contract is up this year, and then after my contract's up, I will own the name of my show. I thought I said that, and I think they purposely nobody wanted to listen. I did 50-50 ownerships to get the foundation because I had no idea what it took to run shows. So now I understand how to run shows.
But when Gil first started his show, man, his show really blew. It kind of blew up for the most part. You know what I'm saying? Like he put with Rashad McCants and Brandon Jennings, like it was a pretty good combination. Then he put Swaggy P on that thing, man. That thing just shot up there, man. That was a pretty good show. I don't know why he sold it. I understand him trying to get it done right, but really, they so good, bro. They could have hired some good cameramen, like, and some good. They could have hired put a team together, and then cause just their names alone was gonna bring them traffic.
So I don't need to do 50-50s no more. That's it. There's nothing. It's called growth. You gotta use take the sugar daddy out your ears, y'all. 27-29 OKC at the top of the second.
Well, I don't feel like he kind of like it. I think now he see that he shouldn't have sold. Like I think now he see like once the show how the show done blew up so quickly within like 2 years. I think that he feel like he probably and deep down inside he probably feel like now I wish I would have just did it on my own. I would have still had the channel because he built the channel up. You know what I'm saying? Like, but they can always build up another channel. Then he already always had his personal channel too, so he could still do it again, do something similar. But they took it. I think they took it out of his house, if I'm not mistaken.
I hate Rashad. No, I don't hate Rashad. That's my guy. I'm not sure they like me anymore. I don't know.
So did he get kicked off the show? That's dang. So they kicked him off and replaced him with Skip Bayless. Ah, that's crazy.
I'm gonna just let y'all know, no different than NBA. Just remember this, chat. Words are powerful, just like in the NBA. When people start writing, the team is better without them. That player reads it. That player believes it. That player starts acting like it. So if y'all saying the show is better without me, hey, and the producers them say, oh, hey, fans, they don't care if he's here or not. And hey. But I'm on vacation, so I don't need to be at work. I think I'm finals.
So so they did kick my boy off the show. Dang, and replaced him with Skip Bayless and took it out of his house but kept the same setup as the show. That's some cold-blooded game right there, man. That's cold-blooded.
I think I'm on a finals duty, not this one. Steve Nash never played in one NBA Finals. I mean, it's
Yeah, this is a tough situation, man. What would y'all have done if you had a show and you knew you was already, a famous athlete? Would you sell 50% of the show because you don't know the back end, or would you get somebody? You can hire somebody to hire a team for you to run the camera work and the editing and the posting and different things like that. So I wonder why didn't nobody tell him that before he sold it to a big whatever company he sold it to, they made the show pretty big from the things that they did. Like I said, they grew the YouTube channel and everything, man. So I don't know, man. It's crazy. But at the end of the day, he still got paid. But after retirement, and he still had his own channel too. So, you know, it's all good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man, and like. And I appreciate all the love, man. I'm coming back with more. I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's get it.